What if I told you your tablet, yes, that thin slab of glass you mostly use for Netflix and scrolling, could become your main productivity machine, your office, your creative studio, and your AI command center, all in one? And no, I'm not talking about turning your tablet into a cheap laptop knockoff. I'm talking about a complete transformation, where software, hardware, AI tools, cloud systems, and intuitive workflows fuse into something that's not just portable, but powerful. Today on Tech Wave 65, we're going to supercharge your tablet productivity setup with the latest gear, the smartest apps, and automation tricks that will let you run your business, create content, manage projects, collaborate remotely, and even code, all from a device that fits in your backpack. I've spent weeks testing different setups with the iPad Pro M4, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and Surface Pro 10, and let me tell you, this is no longer about tablet versus laptop. This is about how smart you make the ecosystem around your tablet, and whether you know the right tools to unlock its full potential. First, let's talk core hardware. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, the iPad Pro M4 is the most powerful option, with a chip that rivals desktop Macs, Thunderbolt 4 for blazing fast data transfer, up to 2 terabytes of internal storage, and a new OLED display with insane clarity. If you're on Android, the Tab S9 Ultra gives you that beautiful AMOLED display, S Pen support, and DeX mode for a full desktop-like UI. And if you're somewhere between Windows and tablet land, the Surface Pro 10 offers full desktop-class apps with tablet flexibility. No matter your brand, the principles we're covering today apply across all three. The first move to supercharge your setup is going modular. Forget bulky cases and magic keyboards. Go with a lightweight tablet stand, like the MOFT Snap Float, paired with a low-profile mechanical keyboard like the Keychron K3, and a compact Bluetooth mouse like the Logitech Pebble or SwiftPoint. This gives you laptop-style ergonomics with the freedom to arrange your desk however you want. Add a foldable second screen, like the Asus ZenScreen or UPerfect portable OLEDs, and now you've got dual-screen multitasking. Notes on one screen, Zoom call on the other. And here's where it gets next level. Plug all of this into a Ugreen or Anker USB-C hub with HDMI, SD card, and PD pass-through, and your tablet instantly powers a full productivity station, monitor, keyboard, mouse, even SSD drives, all with one cable. But let's shift to software, because that's where the real transformation happens. On iPad OS or Android, use Notion as your digital brain, organizing tasks, notes, databases, and content calendars. Layer that with Spark Mail for email triage with AI prioritization, and Fantastical for calendar control. Want to manage files without touching Finder or My Files? Try File Browser Pro or Solid Explorer. They connect to cloud, NAS, and remote servers in one unified app. And if you're a content creator or remote worker, LumaFusion or CapCut Pro let you edit 4K video with drag-and-drop simplicity. Now enhanced with AI autocuts, voice isolation, and text-to-video generation. Creators, take notes. Next, inject AI into everything. Use ChatGPT 4o as your co-pilot, not just in Safari, but in split-screen mode beside your dock or slide deck. Prompt it to help with outlines, reply to emails, create descriptions, generate code, or summarize research. Use Notion AI to rewrite notes, detect tasks from meeting transcripts, and keep projects up to date. Add VoicePen.ai for turning voice notes into clean blog posts or YouTube scripts. Want it all voice-controlled? Build custom Siri shortcuts or Android voice commands to launch workflows. Say, "Start focus mode," and your tablet dims screen, opens your task list, starts ambient music, and mutes notifications. Just like that. Developers, yes, you can code on a tablet. Use Blink Shell, Textastic, or Code Sandbox for iPad, or Termux on Android. Connect to GitHub, SSH into servers, or build static websites with real-time previews. Want to go cloud native? Run your dev environment on Gitpod or Replit, and access it from any browser. For design work, apps like Affinity Designer, Procreate, and Figma are tablet optimized and now support real-time collaboration. And with Sidecar on iPad or DeX on Samsung, your tablet becomes a second screen, ideal for sketching UI flows or storyboarding content. Let's not forget about automation. Combine IFTTT, Zapier, or shortcuts to auto-save screenshots to cloud, sync voice notes to email, post YouTube videos to X, and trigger home automation scenes based on calendar events. With iCloud Drive, pCloud, Google Workspace, and Obsidian, you can create a cross-platform productivity ecosystem that syncs your files, thoughts, and progress no matter where you are. I set up my system to auto-summarize my day, suggest next steps, and present a dashboard when I open my tablet every morning. It's like Jarvis for your workflow. But here's where it gets supercharged: intentionality. Strip down your tablet home screen. Only keep core tools visible. Add widgets for tasks, timers, and focus quotes. Build focus mode layouts that change apps based on time of day: study tools in the morning, creative tools in the afternoon, admin tools at night. And use app hibernation tools to freeze social apps during work hours. Your tablet becomes a clean, smart, dynamic interface that pulls you into productivity instead of distraction. I ran this setup for 21 days, producing TechWave 65 content, writing scripts, managing a remote team, handling sponsor outreach, editing TikToks, and prototyping in Figma. The result? I got more done, carried less, and didn't touch my laptop once. The battery lasted longer, my posture improved, and I felt more focused, because the tools stayed out of the way and let me work. And the surprise? I felt more creative. Tapping, dragging, voice commanding, drawing. The tactile nature of tablets reconnected me to my work in a way a laptop keyboard never did. I felt like an artist again, not just a manager. So, whether you're a student, a digital nomad, a content creator, or just tired of bulky machines, supercharging your tablet isn't about specs. It's about mindset, tools, and intentional design. Build your rig, set up your cloud, layer in AI, automate everything, and you'll unlock a setup that's light, fast, flexible, and honestly, way more fun. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.